Horns up and welcome to HEADBANGER'S Kitchen. I'm Jennifer Banz from Low Carb Recipes with Jennifer, and Sahil has invited me onto his channel to cook for you. So I'm excited. I'm really excited to be here, and I hope that you like this recipe that I'm going to make for you today. So what we're making today is a crustless pumpkin pie. Crustless pumpkin pie. It's perfect for Thanksgiving, but it's super easy. We don't need a crust. Let's just throw it all in there, get it going, and everyone's gonna love it. Everyone in your family's gonna love it. So if you've never watched any of my videos before or followed any of my recipes are easy. They use readily available ingredients, and they're usually ready in about 30 minutes or less. So let's get started with this recipe because it's just exactly like that. We've got 1.5 cups of pumpkin puree, and I've got 3 eggs. I'm gonna crack into this bowl and beat them up. Some other things to note: I've got a pie plate that I've already sprayed with cooking spray, and I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. So we're gonna add our 1.5 cups of pumpkin puree to this mixing bowl, along with our 3 beaten eggs. We've got 3/4 cup of Swerve brown sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 3/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Finally, we're going to add in 3/4 cup of heavy cream. Okay, time to whisk all this up together. This is a basic custard, like pumpkin pie custard. Super delicious. Okay, we've got our pie plate here. I'm going to pour this into the pie plate. Our pie plate is very well sprayed with cooking spray so it doesn't stick. I'm gonna flatten out the top, and this is ready for the oven, 350 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, our pumpkin pie, crustless pumpkin pie, is out of the oven. It looks fabulous. Let's cut a slice. All right, that looks so good. I've got some whipped cream here that we whipped up. Put a nice spoonful on there. And now let's have a taste. Oops. That is so good. You are going to love this recipe, and I hope you love me. And if you do, please subscribe to my channel, Low Carb with Jennifer. And thank you so much for watching. I will hopefully see you on my channel. Bye.
Horns up, folks. Now that pumpkin pie looked absolutely delicious, and I for one can't wait to make the recipe. I hope you guys will make the recipe as well. And a huge thank you to Jennifer for taking over the channel today and sharing that recipe with us. It is super easy and it looks absolutely delicious. So thank you, Jennifer. I really do appreciate you taking over the channel today. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, please smash the like button on this video so Jennifer knows just how much we appreciate her sharing this recipe with us. And of course, if you're new to HEADBANGER'S Kitchen, that's my channel, which you're watching right now, well, we are a heavy metal cooking show that's keto all the way, and I have a lot of keto recipes on this channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notifications when I upload a video. And of course, also make sure you head over to Jennifer's channel and subscribe. But anyway, till the next episode, ladies and gentlemen, cheers and keep cooking. Hey folks, don't forget to subscribe to Jennifer's YouTube channel. I'll put a little link here. And and I'll also link one of her videos here so you can check it out. So make sure you go and do that right now. Subscribe.